Hello and welcome to the Virtual Investor. Let's look at the top 6 states to invest in real estate right now. All right, for obvious reasons, number one on my list is Florida. Why? Because so many people are moving to Florida. A lot of good job opportunities, a better lifestyle, good fair cost of living, no state income tax. That's number one. Number two, Texas. Again, for pretty obvious reasons for Texas as well. A lot of business, a lot of job opportunities, a lot of great markets inside of Texas. You have Dallas, you have Houston, you have San Antonio, some of the hot markets out there. A lot of job growth, a lot of businesses moving from California to Texas. Great state to invest in now and for the future. Number three, South Carolina. South Carolina still falls into that Sun Belt. Great place to retire, fairly low cost. And that leads into number four, North Carolina, for similar reasons, right? Again, a good retirement lifestyle, lower cost of living. You have good major cities in both the Carolinas, between Charleston, South Carolina. You have Charlotte, North Carolina, and outskirts. And then you have Raleigh, which is a tech hub in North Carolina as well. All right, let's go to number 5 on my list, and that is Ohio. And Ohio is a great state because it's a great linear market. Again, you have lower cost of living, better lifestyle, and there are a good amount of jobs in Ohio. Ohio offers great opportunity for both fix and flips and for buy and hold properties. And let's go to the last one on my list, number 6, Tennessee. Tennessee just keeps growing and growing and growing. Again, another no income tax state. You have Nashville, which has been growing for at least 10, 15 years right now. Chattanooga, Knoxville, Memphis. You just have a bunch of great markets. You could do buy and holds, you could do fix and flips, all kinds of investment opportunities there. Also, decent place to retire. On the eastern side, you got the Smoky Mountains. On the western side, you've got great lifestyle, great opportunities, but again, great state. Those are my top 6. All right, guys, we will catch you in the next video.